guys, so for today's video I'm going to be sharing some college tips and advice, so how to prepare for college and planning and things like that. So this is actually part 2 of my college tips and advice video because I ended up having a lot of footage, so I just split it into 2 videos, so you can check out my school supplies and college essentials video in the link below. So let's just get into the video. So this is what I keep on my desk. It's pretty minimal. So if you saw my room tour, it's kind of different now. So I have the printer here, a picture, decorations. Then these are just all my school supplies. So I just have tape, extra lead, scissors, pens, highlighters, and then my Surface Go, and a picture of me and my parents, and then Bible verse, little reminder on my mirror, and textbook, my binder, folder of all my important documents for my program for college, my laptop case, and my water bottle. So my desk, if you're wondering, it's just like a hand-me-down. I think it's from the Rontale fam, and I don't know where my chair is from either, but it's just like a little like wheelie one. And yeah, that's pretty much what I keep on my desk. So like minimal like distractions, I guess, and less clutter. So right now I'm actually going to update my calendar so it's blank, and I'm gonna just put September, write the days of the month, and I have my like actual physical planner so I can like reference it, I guess, because since I'm starting school September 8th, I want it to be like ready to go so I can remind myself of any of the plans that I have and any important dates to take a note of, because I think I like having reminders on my phone. Sorry if you could hear that. I like having reminders on my phone, a physical copy, and also this is like a whiteboard with all everything that I need to remember. Is very useful for when I need to like look at like the date, like before I run out the door, I know that everything is already done. Like for example, like if you had an assignment you forgot about, if it's due at midnight, you still got time to do it. Don't worry, you have until 11:59. Little college tip, so don't stress too much if you're just starting college. So I bought some more whiteboard markers with more color choices because I like the way that these thin expo dry erase markers write. Like it's just easier in my opinion. So I just got some more of these like to stock up, and also for other color options, because as of right now I only have blue and black. So it's nice that I now have red and green, more organized, and I'm the kind of nerd who gets excited about like the little things like school supplies. So anyway, before I bought these, I'm gonna start using them now, but before I bought it I just used the black one, as I said, and the Staedtler Tri Plus Dry Erase one in the color blue, because this whiteboard, if you're wondering, whiteboard calendar, it's from Walmart, and it came with these two, but they're like running out. I mean, the good thing I like about those is that it has an eraser on the cap. So if you're just like slowly like getting into college or want to be more organized, I suggest looking at Walmart. They have some pretty good ones, and you can just get extra whiteboard markers along the way. But like these two are like pretty much fine. I've had this for like so many years, maybe since like grade 12, and I'm turning 20 this year. So you guys, 2 years ago? Okay, I've had it for maybe 2 or 3 years. I was gonna say you guys do the math, but okay. Anyways, just in case you were wondering where everything is from, and the planner that I got, this is from Muji. This is just for 2020, because I like, I realized that I like full year planners rather than the school year one, because that's like over 2 years, if you get what I mean. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna just like fill this out and time lapse. So bye. Also, another tip if you're taking notes, stick with 3 colors because it's easier on the eyes. I normally write my notes using navy blue because I read somewhere that navy blue is easy to like read or help you remember when you're studying. So you can keep that in mind. I mean, like if you prefer a black pen, that's totally fine too. It's just over the years I've realized what my preference is. So to each their own. Anyways, okay, I keep just like rambling on about school supplies and tips, but time lapse now. So I'm gonna use this one for the September. Or should I use blue? Yeah, I'll use actually blue because I'm used to seeing blue. Ooh, look. It's like so pointy because it's new. Anyways, okay. Oh my gosh, I'm running out of storage, so I'm gonna just show you the final results. But so far, I am on the second week of September because I don't want to miss anything. I just put everything, like all the events, everything I need to remember just there. Like this is not just school stuff, it is also any plans that I'm making, like with friends or any school requirements or stuff like that, assignments, which I don't know about yet, but that's another tip. So here's like a little overview. So I put August 30 and 31 like over there. Because it's in the week and I have a few things that day anyway, so I was like, might as well put it there. And then I have September 1 to 30, and I have all my events there. So normally I put my title in blue and then add a little like drawing or something, and then things to do, and then everything that I need for school and all my hangouts or plans or stuff like that, just so that when I leave and go out the door, it's just like easily accessible. So yeah, that is a little like overview of my calendar. So normally what I do is all my very important dates, so everything that has to do with school, just so that I can see it right away. I put like a little, I think it's called like an asterisk, like you know the star thing, like above, like on that date, so that I can see it right away and it catches my attention. Because yes, my thing looks filled, in my opinion, I think, because there's like almost something in every day, but it's less stressful to me because some of the things are like consistent. Like every like Wednesday I have Bible study, every Friday I have a prayer meeting, something like that, and Sunday every Sunday, or most Sundays, no, every Sunday I have church. So I just put those like in case my my week gets hectic, at least I remember that those events are happening on that day. And then once I like get like my syllabus, so I guess I could move there for like important tips and sit down. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that you learned a few things. If you're going to college or online school, hopefully these tips have helped you to prepare and plan out your schedule and everything like that. So please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you aren't already. Press the bell icon down below to get notified whenever I post a new video, which is on Mondays at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So once again, I'm not posting consistently anymore, but whenever I will post, it will be on a Monday. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all and God bless. Bye!